The open ocean is one of the most mysterious and expansive habitats on Earth. Covering over 70% of our planet's surface, it is a vast and largely unexplored frontier. Unlike coastal waters, the open ocean stretches out into the abyss, where human knowledge is still limited. Its depths are home to an array of life forms, many of which remain undiscovered. The open ocean plays a critical role in regulating Earth's climate and supporting marine biodiversity. It acts as a giant conveyor belt, circulating warm and cold currents that influence weather patterns. The water's vastness allows for an intricate web of life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. This interconnected ecosystem is a testament to nature's complexity. Despite its importance, the open ocean faces numerous threats. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are just a few of the challenges that endanger this delicate environment. Understanding the open ocean's secrets is crucial for its preservation. By delving into its depths, we can uncover the mysteries that lie beneath and take action to protect this vital part of our planet. As we explore the open ocean, we will encounter fascinating creatures and learn about their unique adaptations. From the massive blue whale to the tiny krill, each organism plays a vital role in the ocean's ecosystem. Let us embark on this journey into the blue, where the secrets of the open ocean await discovery. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have lived on Earth. These magnificent creatures can grow up to 100 feet in length and weigh as much as 200 tons. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are gentle giants, feeding primarily on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. This diet is a remarkable example of nature's balance, where the largest animal depends on some of the smallest organisms for survival. Blue whales are found in oceans around the world, migrating seasonally to find food and mate. Their presence is a sign of a healthy marine environment, as they require vast amounts of krill to sustain themselves. This intricate relationship between predator and prey highlights the importance of each species within the ocean's ecosystem. When blue whale populations thrive, it indicates a robust and balanced marine habitat. The life of a blue whale is a fascinating journey. They communicate through complex vocalizations, which can be heard over long distances underwater. These calls play a crucial role in social interactions and navigation. Blue whales are also known for their impressive breaches and tail slaps, which are both awe-inspiring and mysterious behaviors. Observing these gentle giants in their natural habitat is a humbling experience that underscores the majesty of the open ocean. Despite their strength and size, blue whales face significant threats from human activities. Ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, and climate change are among the dangers that threaten their survival. Protecting blue whales and their habitat is essential for maintaining the health of the open ocean. By understanding their role within the marine ecosystem, we can take steps to ensure their future. Krill may be small, but they are vital to the ocean's food web. These tiny crustaceans, often no larger than a paperclip, form dense swarms that can extend for miles. They are a primary food source for many marine animals, including whales, seals, and penguins. Despite their size, krill are a cornerstone of the oceanic ecosystem, supporting a wide range of species. Krill feed on phytoplankton, microscopic plants that float near the ocean's surface. Through this process, they convert sunlight into energy, transferring it up the food chain. This makes krill a crucial link between the ocean's primary producers and its top predators. Their abundance and nutritional value make them indispensable to the marine environment. Without krill, many oceanic species would struggle to survive. The life cycle of krill is fascinating. They go through several stages of development, from eggs to larvae to adults. During their early life stages, they are highly vulnerable to predation, but their sheer numbers ensure that enough survive to adulthood. Krill are also known for their bioluminescence, emitting light to confuse predators and communicate with each other. This remarkable adaptation adds to their mystique. Human activities pose significant threats to krill populations. Overfishing for krill, particularly for use in aquaculture and dietary supplements, can deplete their numbers. Climate change also impacts krill by altering ocean temperatures and reducing phytoplankton availability. Protecting krill is essential for maintaining the health of the open ocean. By ensuring their survival, we support the entire marine food web. The twilight zone, also known as the mesopelagic zone, lies between 200 and 1,000 meters below the ocean's surface. This enigmatic region is characterized by low light levels, making it a world of shadows and eerie beauty. Despite the challenging conditions, the Twilight Zone is teeming with life. It is home to a diverse array of species that have adapted to survive in this unique environment. One of the most striking features of the Twilight Zone is its bioluminescence. Many creatures in this region produce their own light through chemical reactions. This ability to glow in the dark serves various purposes, from attracting prey to deterring predators. The spectacle of bioluminescent organisms lighting up the deep sea is both mesmerizing and mysterious. It is a testament to the adaptability and ingenuity of life in the ocean's depths. Creatures of the Twilight Zone have evolved extraordinary adaptations. Some species have large eyes to maximize the limited light, while others are nearly transparent to avoid detection. Many have elongated bodies and fins to navigate the dark waters efficiently. These adaptations allow them to thrive in an environment where survival is a constant challenge. The Twilight Zone is a realm of extremes, where life takes on fascinating and unexpected forms. The Twilight Zone plays a crucial role in the ocean's ecosystem. It serves as a transition area between the surface waters and the deeper abyssal zones. Many fish and other organisms migrate vertically through the Twilight Zone, feeding at different depths throughout the day. This vertical migration is one of the largest movements of biomass on Earth, highlighting the importance of the Twilight Zone in the marine food web. Bioluminescence is one of nature's most magical phenomena. It is the ability of organisms to produce light through biochemical reactions. In the deep ocean, where sunlight barely penetrates, bioluminescence is a common adaptation. It is used for a variety of purposes, from hunting and communication to camouflage and defense. The diversity of bioluminescent organisms is a testament to the ingenuity of life in the ocean's depths. Many deep-sea creatures, such as jellyfish, squid, and certain fish species, are bioluminescent. They emit light in stunning displays, creating a surreal underwater spectacle. This light can be blue, green, or even red, depending on the species and its environment. Bioluminescence can startle predators, attract mates, or lure prey. It is an essential tool for survival in the dark, pressure-filled world of the deep sea. In addition to their practical uses, bioluminescent displays are a source of wonder and inspiration. The sight of glowing organisms lighting up the ocean's depths is both beautiful and mysterious. It captures the imagination and reminds us of the hidden wonders of the natural world. Exploring the deep sea's bioluminescent life forms offers a glimpse into a realm where light and darkness intertwine in a delicate balance. Bioluminescence also has scientific significance. Studying these organisms can provide insights into biochemical processes and evolutionary adaptations. Researchers are exploring applications of bioluminescence in medicine, biotechnology, and environmental monitoring. By understanding the mechanisms behind bioluminescence, we can harness its potential for innovative solutions. The deep sea's glowing wonders hold promise for both science and art. Section 6. Surviving in extreme conditions. Life in the deep ocean is a testament to resilience. The conditions in these depths are extreme, with high pressure, low temperatures, and complete darkness. Yet many organisms have evolved to thrive in this harsh environment. They have developed unique adaptations that allow them to survive and even flourish where few other creatures can. One of the most remarkable adaptations is the ability to withstand immense pressure. At depths of thousands of meters, the pressure can be over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. Deep-sea creatures have specialized cell membranes and proteins that remain stable under these conditions. Their bodies are often soft and flexible, allowing them to withstand crushing forces. This resilience is a marvel of biological engineering. Temperature regulation is another challenge in the deep sea. The water is near freezing, yet many organisms maintain their metabolic processes. Some species have antifreeze proteins in their blood to prevent ice crystals from forming. Others rely on slow metabolic rates to conserve energy. These adaptations enable them to survive in an environment that would be inhospitable to most life forms. Communication and sensory adaptations are also crucial for survival. In the absence of light, many deep-sea creatures rely on other senses, such as detecting vibrations or chemical signals. Some species have developed extraordinary sensory organs to navigate and find food. These adaptations demonstrate the ingenuity of evolution in solving the challenges of life in the deep. The resilience of deep-sea life is a reminder of the adaptability of nature. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way to thrive. Studying these extreme environments can provide insights into the limits of biological possibility. It also underscores the importance of protecting these unique ecosystems from human impact. Section 7. The threat of pollution. Pollution is one of the most significant threats to the open ocean. Human activities have introduced vast amounts of waste into the marine environment. Plastic pollution is particularly pervasive, with millions of tons of plastic debris floating in the ocean. This pollution poses a severe threat to marine life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. It disrupts ecosystems and endangers the health of the entire ocean. Plastic debris can entangle marine animals, causing injury or death. Sea turtles, for example, often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, leading to ingestion and fatal blockages. Microplastics, tiny plastic particles, are ingested by a wide range of marine organisms. These particles can accumulate in the food chain, ultimately affecting human health. The pervasive nature of plastic pollution makes it one of the most urgent environmental issues. Chemical pollution is another significant concern. Industrial runoff, agricultural pesticides, and oil spills introduce harmful substances into the ocean. These pollutants can have devastating effects on marine ecosystems, causing mutations, reproductive issues, and death. Coral reefs, already under threat from climate change, are particularly vulnerable to chemical pollution. The loss of these vital habitats would have far-reaching consequences for marine biodiversity. Efforts to combat ocean pollution are essential. Reducing plastic usage, improving waste management, and regulating industrial discharges can help mitigate the impact. International cooperation is crucial, as ocean pollution is a global issue that requires coordinated action. Public awareness and education are also vital in driving change. By understanding the consequences of pollution, we can take steps to protect the open ocean. Section 8. Overfishing, a growing concern. Overfishing is another major threat to the open ocean. Unsustainable fishing practices have led to the depletion of many fish populations. This not only affects the targeted species but also disrupts the entire marine ecosystem. Overfishing can cause a cascade of effects, reducing biodiversity and altering the balance of marine life. Protecting fish populations is essential for the health of the ocean. The problem of overfishing is exacerbated by illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing. These practices often target vulnerable species and undermine efforts to manage fisheries sustainably. Illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing also has socioeconomic impacts affecting the livelihoods of communities that depend on fishing. Addressing this issue requires robust monitoring and enforcement, as well as international collaboration. Bycatch is another significant issue related to overfishing. This refers to the unintentional capture of non-target species, such as dolphins, seabirds, and turtles. Bycatch can have devastating effects on these populations, many of which are already endangered. Implementing bycatch reduction measures, such as selective fishing gear and protected areas, is crucial to minimize this impact. Sustainable fishing practices are essential to address overfishing. This includes setting catch limits based on scientific data, protecting critical habitats, and promoting responsible consumption. Consumers can play a role by choosing sustainably sourced seafood and supporting conservation efforts. By making informed choices, we can help ensure the future of fish populations and the health of the open ocean. Section 9. Call to Action, Protecting the Ocean. Protecting the open ocean is a collective responsibility. The threats of pollution, overfishing, and climate change require urgent action. By taking steps to mitigate these impacts, we can preserve the ocean's biodiversity and ensure its health for future generations. Our actions today will determine the future of the open ocean and the countless species that depend on it. Individual actions can make a difference. Reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and participating in beach cleanups are ways to contribute. Advocacy and education are also powerful tools. Raising awareness about the importance of ocean conservation can inspire others to take action. By working together, we can create a wave of change that benefits the entire planet. Policy changes are crucial for large-scale impact. Governments and international organizations must enforce regulations to protect marine environments. This includes establishing marine protected areas, regulating fishing practices, and reducing carbon emissions. Collaboration between nations is essential to address global issues such as pollution and overfishing. Strong policies and enforcement can safeguard the ocean's future. The open ocean is a vital part of our planet, teeming with life and mystery. Its health is intertwined with the well-being of all living creatures, including humans. By understanding the threats it faces and taking concerted action, we can protect this precious resource. Let us be stewards of the ocean, ensuring its beauty and biodiversity for generations to come.